Because morning, one Sunday morning, I grew up without a warning. Misty hills and dark red mountains, traumatized world. Lonely boat on cold still water, rocking tower only daughter, lock the doors that want to open, a pool of tears remain. Walking in the shadows, landscape from the things I want to escape, knowing full and well I'll stay connected with my health. Stillness over the water, the traumatized heavy waters. I used to be so young and free, but now I'm bound by the bonds that be. I know what I should do, and I've known it for a long time, and I've only gotta do it. Brain is formed by choices before standing by the water. Seashore set the sails lower, the bridge, the princess still is sleeping. Serene unearthly winds are blowing, stones and dirt and clear eyes throwing. Clarity has vanished like some last breath on earth. Breathe my name, breathe my name. It has been said it's just a phase, like a rare smile on my face. I know what I could be, and I do. Struggle with destiny, and I get through. No wonder I feel blue. Before standing on the chessboard floor, marble pillars, Albus castle, clopping hooves approaching. Tarot card above the churchyard round before my life got hard, hand in skylight whirling like some vortex of delight. A sign in the sky without knowing why. A dream showed up and messed me up until your time is up. Don't you ever give up. I know what I've done, and I'll give. I need to live with that, and to forgive myself another one.